Hi! Look what we have here! I'm sure this is a fun toy. Look at those water switches. It's turning open. Now the balls are out, and down the slide. I'm curious how many balls came out and went down the slide. Can you count them? The ball falls into two zigzag lanes, orange and green. The ball goes down fast. It's hard to count, right? Don't worry, we can count the balls later. Now let's just follow where the ball falls. Well, it looks like the ball will stop. Let's get ready to count the balls. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Counting is easy, isn't it? Please like and subscribe this channel.